How to add Metapixel to Base44. Open up Base44, click on Apps at the top, and then select the app or website which you want to add Metapixel to. Now, right here, you will give it the prompt add Metapixel, and you want to send it. After you have sent this prompt, you will go into your Metapixel account, and you just want to copy your account ID here. So copy your ID while we wait. And it is going to then ask for our Metapixel ID. So you just want to type it or paste it, the one that we just copied, and it is going to begin integrating it here. Now, nothing further should be required of us, but we're just gonna watch and see if Base44 manages to connect it. Okay, so it's telling us that it is going to inject via app JSX. Okay, I'm gonna pause and come back in a second. Okay, and just like that, a few seconds later, you will see Metapixel is now injected and fires a page view event on upload. And that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.